All right, guys. So I want to show you, based on the analysis that we did on Sunday, what I have entered so far. So basically, the first pair, let's go to gold because that's the first pair that I usually send. So this right now is still ranging. We have set up a resistance level in here, which it was tested here. It was tested as support before. It hasn't broken on that direction, and neither have done that the opposite on support. So it hasn't broke either or of these two levels. We're just still waiting at this point on this pair. um, GJ is it looks like it's breaking resistance right now. So what we'll be waiting for at this point, if this 4 hour candle closes above this resistance, then we'll be looking for something for the price to come back to this level, tested as support, to keep targeting the way up. Okay, that's that. GU right now is basically touching the resistance. We gotta see what's gonna happen here. It might reject the resistance or it might break it. So we'll be looking at this situation right now, and based on whatever the candle prints, like whatever we sitting here, then we'll be taking either a position to go short or another position, not another, but like we will be targeting to go up depending on what this candle is going to do or the next candle is going to do. But it might be coming this way like this, or it might reject it and we'll be looking to enter some type of positions to target again the previous support. um, that's for GU. It looks like all of the GB pairs are doing that. I entered this position yesterday as well. I entered based on the 1 hour. The 1 hour in here gave me this confirmation of where was this one? It was a pullback after this engulfing candle. Was a pullback. It gave me a dodgy candle, and I entered on this candle right here. The next one, it was right here. It was a green candle. So it's in drawdown right now. We gotta see what's gonna happen. And it looks like it's reject. It looks like it broke support. It's rejecting support. So I might be closing partial positions right now on this trade just because it might be, since it broke support, it came back to test it as resistance. Now it might be targeting to go down. But the whole idea for me was of this trade was that I saw a lot of rejection. Once it touched support, it rejected once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. After this long dodgy candle in here, I decided to enter a small position to target the previous resistance. But it doesn't seem like that's what it wanted it to do. It kept just floating around in here for a minute, and then it just dropped. This was around right pre-London at 2 in the morning. It just dropped, and then he's coming back right now to test this as resistance, or he might just push up. We don't know. But I'm gonna be closing partial positions right now since it's in a little drawdown, and then let the rest run. That's that. AU AU did a fake out in here on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. On the four. Oh, actually, this was clear. I missed this one. Look, this one was clear on the 4 hour. Long rejection, and then once this candle right here crossed the previous candle high, you could enter a position, something like this. And just to be safe, you want to put your stop loss below this week right here, because market has gone there before. But look, something like this would be perfect. Even the first target, of course, will be somewhere here, then here, because it's resistance, and then here, potentially here, and then last here. This would have been a perfect entry, but I missed it. That's that. EJ, I shared this with you guys before on the Telegram yesterday. The market broke resistance, but it came down. It gave no rejection at all for us to jump for a long position. So I started looking at the previous support to see where the price is gonna more than likely find support, and it looks like that's what's happening right now. So this support level has been tested multiple times, and is a very major level of support because you can see how the market has moved quite a bit from here. So now we're expecting that to happen. I did not enter this trade also I wasn't looking at the charts. I'm literally just coming into the chart right now. But this right here was a perfect entry after this long rejection, and we have a candle going this way. Um, and yeah, that would be the perfect one. But I'm not on this trade. I just mark it up for you guys on the Telegram. And then EU probably is going up too. Let's see what's going on with this one. Look, it's showing some rejection. It has touch resistance. It's showing rejection. So we got to see how this is going to look, how it's going to close, and based on that, we can take a position either targeting down to the previous support. Then this will be the next one, and then here eventually. Or if it breaks this resistance, then we'll be targeting to go up. And the last, what is this? You see, it's still in this range. Not looking at anything at this point. And this is the position I entered yesterday also. I was talking to one of my friends and I was explaining to him why I was entering this trade is because of this long rejection. This market pushed down. It wasn't strong enough to actually break support, and the market actually rejected very heavily in this situation. So I entered the position right in here when this candle closed, and I went to draw down a little bit, and now it's in profit, and I closed most of my positions when it was around here. Um, that's it. That's about it. Bitcoin, I just have it here just to see what it's doing, but I'm not interested in that at the moment. Okay, so that's the whole analysis so far for everything. Gold is just ranging, man. This thing is, well, let's see what we're gonna do. All right, guys, take care. Bye. Have a good day.